it's time to move to the last segment of the conclave, where we are announcing the best research paper of SMRC 2021. We are also announcing winners for Smart Manufacturing Excellence Award 2021, with an objective to recognize manufacturing units as well as tech startups for their commitment towards digital journey. NASSCOM Center of Excellence has organized Smart Manufacturing Excellence Award to showcase the best Industry 4.0 projects and solutions. There are 3 award categories we are announcing today. The first award is Best Research Paper, based on the review made by the committee on their full paper, and the chair evaluation scores for their presentation will be identifying the best paper. For Smart Excellence Award, the best Industry 4.0 solution to startups and the enterprise use case, we we got the nominations from industries and startups for these 2 categories, where the leaders from academia and industry, they joined us as a jury panel who helped us in evaluating the finalists based on the presentations. I would like to thank the jury panel, Dr. Chandan Chaudhary, Senior Associate Dean, Practice Professor, Operations Management and Information Systems from ISB, Dr. Krishnan Balasubramaniam, Professor IIT Madras, Dr. Virendra Srivastav, Professor Big Data Analytics at Adani Institute of Digital Technology Management, Mr. Yogesh Zo, Chief Digital Officer, Bharat Forge Limited, Mr. Amit Chatterjee, leading the Industrial Segment Marketing IoT Group at Intel, along with Mr. Amit Saluja, the Senior Director and Center Head for the NASSCOM Center of Excellence. I would like to invite Mr. Amit Saluja to please come on the stage and announce the winners one by one. So the first category, we begin with the best research paper.
Thank you, Neha. And what a day it has been. So much of a great stuff that has come up all the way for us. And in fact, the nominations that we have got from all the research papers, and even for the first Manufacturing Excellence Award that we are doing, it's really great to have the support from the industry, from the startups, and from the researchers for this. I'm really very excited to really see the kind of work that we have seen today. So it's really my privilege to announce these awards. And I'm sure, this is just a start. We will have a lot more of these coming future. We could select only one winner, but definitely all the work that we have saw during the day, and then also earlier in the presentations that we have received earlier, they all were phenomenal work. So it is actually hard to announce just one winner, but since we have to do it, so I'll kind of just name it one by one. So you said the first category, we will announce it for the Best Research Award. So after going through all the research presentations as a review committee, we picked up a very novel work that really got presented today, which was on the sound-based condition monitoring and empowerment of technicians to fix the anomaly. Such exciting work, Sheila Sidappa, principal data scientist, Kindred. You really brought about a new way of doing the condition monitoring, and as such, this whole subject, while we have been talking since long, companies have been trying out different ways to predict when the failure will happen or what's happening to my assets, and you bringing up a new way of doing the things, I think it was real great. And we really look forward to having more examples of using this technology actually in the industry. So the whole objective for us is, since it's bringing the industry and the researchers together, so I'm sure these ideas will be of lot of interest to the industry, and you will get a lot of pings now on how do you actually we can take it to the different companies. So many congratulations for enlightening us with this your new thoughts, and we really look forward to working with you in taking it further to the different industries. Many congratulations. So Sheila, you are on mute. Yeah, while we have listened to you, in quite detail, but maybe for our audience who were not there earlier, would you, I mean, I'll just want you to kind of say a few things about first of all, this award and also about the work that you've done for us.
First of all, thank you so much, NASSCOM, Amit, more especially, and Neha. As I said earlier, it has been an amazing few weeks of journey for us. And, it does mean a lot to get an award from NASSCOM. It is certainly not a small thing. So very honored. Thank you so much. Regarding the work, of course, it was quite unique. And I felt NASSCOM could be one of the brands where we could showcase it to begin with. I think I made the right decision there. So overall, I would say if you're looking at something uniquely simple, yet looking for a complete solution in the space of manufacturing, which involves in terms of going all the way from not only predicting the need for when to maintain, but also taking it forward beyond condition monitoring to say that how do we empower the technicians to make sure, this kind of condition monitoring exercise that you have taken can be fruitfully utilized in the actionable items and what they really need to be doing. So that was in a nutshell what we worked on. Once again, thank you, NASSCOM, Amit, Neha, and all the team for recognizing this. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I mean,
Congratulations.
We'll send you your trophy to you. I mean, if you would have been better if this was a face-to-face. I mean, that holding a trophy, I think, would have been a much better kind of.
Oh yeah, it gives a little more nice feeling. Yes, thank you so much.
Great, thank you. Pleasure having you.
Congratulations, Sheila. It was really, really nice to see how you touched the need of the industry through your research. Thank you very much for bringing out this to our forum. We look forward for future research collaborations between industry and academia, and NASSCOM CoE will keep up the efforts high to make this happen with the help of researchers like you and everybody who have participated in the event. Congratulations once again. Next is the Best Industry 4.0 Solution Implementation Award by Startups. So Amit, if you can please announce the winner.
Yeah, sure. So again, it was a very tough competition here. The number of nominations that we have received for the startup awards, I think they were really overwhelming. And the presentations that we had to the jury panel. In fact, when we saw the scores, coming out from all the jury and then consolidating it was kind of a neck and neck, and it was actually very tough competition. And I'm very excited to announce the winner. It's NanoPrecise, and NanoPrecise is an automated AI-based predictive and prescriptive maintenance solution providers. And I'm amazed to see that the number of implementations that they have done, over 2,500 installed sensors in India and over 8,000 installed sensors globally. So I think that's really phenomenal. So I'm excited to welcome Prashant Boma, co-founder and the India head for NanoPrecise.
Hello, thank you, NASSCOM, for recognizing our efforts.
Congratulations! Yeah, I mean, it's been great, and again that kind of solutions that you are bringing in, which you just say can be installed in just kind of a few minutes. I think that's really amazing, and which is what the industry needs. Right? See, especially the MSME sector, they really don't have that much about the expertise in installing the solutions and where the solutions can be installed. So I think you really bring in a great way of solving their problem by fixing your solution sensor basically anywhere. So fantastic job, and congratulations. Again, we look forward for you to working more closely with all the companies and more especially with the MSME sector to help them.
Definitely. Thank you very much. So yes, right. You said the right thing. Plug and play is the need for industry. Then comes the data, then comes the insight, then comes on everything. So thank you very much, NASSCOM. We were very fortunate to receive this award. Thank you very much.
And maybe for the listeners, would you want to talk about in say 2-3 minutes about your solution, because some of them might not be there when you present?
Sure. So we are AI and IoT based predictive and prescriptive maintenance solution company. So what happens, like we have the objectivity is to eliminate the unplanned downtimes from our end users plant. So we have come up with a sensor hardware which can measure a very 6 parameters from the machine, which is very much useful to monitor the condition of the machine. Then the sensor sends the data to the cloud, and cloud processes the data and come up with insights like remaining useful life that machine. If something is wrong, if fault is characterized or fault is identified for that particular machine, then the system will predict the remaining time to failure or remaining time to reliability of that machine. That is very much useful for the end user, because if they are saving the unplanned downtimes, we are saving direct dollars for them, and it goes up to $1 million if we are saving 3 hours of unplanned downtime for them. So it is like a very big deal for them, and value they can recognize within months, not in just like years or something. Within few weeks, they can recognize if they have a problem in their machineries. So yes, so it is a very plug-and-play solution that we have come up with. And integration, yes, it has to be integrated with many other systems as well. OT system, it has to be. If we talk about the digital twin, then the flexibility of the systems we are deploying in anywhere in the plant or any department, it should be flexible enough so that it can be integrated with other systems. So yeah, this is all about our like a brief about the solution. All right, thank you.
Thank you, and best wishes for the future.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prashant. Congratulations to you and your entire team. All the very best.
Thank you very much.
Third category here, the best industry 4.0 use case for the manufacturing enterprises. Amit, if you can announce.
Okay, thanks. So this was another exciting category that we had, and I really appreciate manufacturing enterprise to come forward and share your success stories. I mean, it's not easy, correct? I mean, really. First, I mean, there's a lot of time goes in the spending in actually implementing the solution and then seeing the results, and sharing these success stories with the broader people and the industry. Definitely, it's really great to have. And I'm thankful to all the manufacturing companies who came forward and shared your work that you have done. And for this award, so the winner basically would like to announce for the Grasim Industries, and this is for the innovative work that the Grasim industry has done in developing a blockchain-based solutions for the green tech solution for forest to fashion traceability and the sustainability. It was really a very novel or the unique way that we saw from your side in actually tracing back the whole fabric and from where it is. So many congratulations. I would like to invite Mr. Sri Rangarajan, CIO Pulp and Fiber Business, Grasim Industries Limited. Many congratulations, Mr. Rangarajan.
Thank you, Amit, and thank you, NASSCOM and the entire jury for this recognition. It really kind of motivates us to do more and more in this kind of a field. Thank you so much again.
No, and thank you for sharing your work. As I said, I mean, it was actually very innovative, and blockchain is still kind of very under-penetrated. We still see it as a very, I mean, technology which is used more in the banking side and some in the supply chain and use cases. And while the farm to fork or these kind of use cases are coming forward, but I think what you have implemented is definitely very unique, and that's where I think congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Anything else you would like to, I mean, share with the audience about the work that you have done?
I think I want to kind of put it very short and small. Today, one of the kind of key things that the mankind faces today is all about climate change, sustainability, and all the problems that we seem to see around. And at Aditya Birla, we are committed to sustainability. And today, customers are coming back and asking us, how are we managing sustainability? So this project is basically about addressing this two-way kind of requirement, one of customer and our commitment to sustainability. And that's why we embarked on this project. And blockchain is kind of an enabler only. And the objective is to ensure sustainability. And blockchain we thought about because there are multiple players in the entire value chain, some of them blind. So when we have blind partners in the value chain, how am I going to be able to get the whole thing on one single system? And the only one thing was that we could have got only blockchain. And that's why we went for a blockchain solution. And so that's all about the solution.
Great, thank you. And we look forward to getting to know more of your success stories. I'm sure there will be a lot more that you would be doing. So we look forward to kind of learn more about it and then do our best to share with other industries so that more and more companies can look forward and then replicate
Indeed.
Your success.
Indeed. We are here to share, learn from everybody.
Great. Thank you
so
again.
much.
Thank you again, and congratulations and best wishes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And congratulations to the entire team of Grassims who have worked on this project.
Thank you.
Thank you, Amit.
Thank you.
Thank you, Amit, for helping in evaluation and announcing the winners. We are to